Hey, Dell, what's going on? How's it going? Just gotta change a few things here on the cloud bot. Hope you guys are doing all right. Good weekend. Hope you guys had a good weekend. Let me see here. Hey, Sohail, what's going on? About to get started on an Apex 300K. Nice. Gotta change that in the chat there. There we go. TJP, what's happening? Carlos. What do I see? I don't know. We got pretty bullish there at the end there, but I don't know. I have no idea. I think we could possibly, if we start to come down, we could possibly start to fill this gap if it looks like a short. But besides that, really bullish there towards the end of the day on Friday. Hope you guys had a good Friday. I had a really good day Friday. We'll talk about it in a little while. I almost had a 10K day. This is not a funded, this is an eval. I currently don't have any funded with Buellanox. My fundeds are with Top Step X right now. Or Top Step, My Funded Futures, Apex. What else I got? Oh, Take Profit Trader. Going up, Benny. Hey Dan, what's going on? You at the Hard Rock? Nice. John King, what's happening? It's okay, John King. It's the same as Top Step X for Buellanox. I gotten rid of all my Quan Towers. So I used to have a lot of Quan Tower. But yeah. Let's see. So I end up having ended up getting having a really big day on Friday for payouts and my personal account. I was not streaming that day. But yeah, so I'm probably gonna request a $4,200 payout from Take Profit Trader, which is nice. Hey Donna, what's going on? I've never gotten a payout from Buellanox Soul Hail. It's the only major prop firm that I've never gotten a payout. I've gotten a payout from every single one. Top Steps, the Apexes, the Tradeifys, the Take Profit Traders, and Buellanox. Kind of been my kryptonite lately, so I said by the end of the year I'm going to get payouts from Buellanox, and that's what I want to do. Big gap up. Here we go. Big gap up. Oh man, that's so stressful, Dan. Moving and selling your house and stuff. Yeah. Hey, Sherry. I think I said hi, Donna. We could fill that gap. I don't know, Sohail. It could. But big push up there. I might have to shut my curtain here. I'm not used to sun being out at this time. It's nice. It's getting, the days are getting longer. Big gap up, Amelia. Big gap up. Very big gap. So big I don't really want to fade it once I get a setup. Hey, Alyssa, what's going on? You're waiting for a Beelnox payout that then I can buy more accounts. Nice, John King. There we go. Yeah, I don't know what the gap up was from. What's going on, John? John Walk. Hey, full-time trader, what's happening? Good to see you guys hanging out on a Sunday night. Hope you guys had a good weekend. Mine was okay. Okay weekend, but so just monster push up there. 20,100. This is something you don't want to fade. It could be, Lexar, it could be. I am live, Zabak. Hey, I only took Friday off. I mean, not too bad. I gotta live a little bit. I gotta live. I got in the trading for freedom. Nah, it's all good. Is this a good time to announce that I'm gonna be on vacation a little bit next week? Or the week after? Zabak? Just for a few days. It actually won't affect the stream that much. Just I'm thinking Monday, Tuesday, maybe Wednesday next week, and then I'll be on the rest. But hey, Honest Take, what's going on? Amelia, how's it going? Wayne, glad you guys are all stopping in. Well, yeah, what a push up there. Just massive. I don't know what to do. I'm just going to wait for a setup. That's all I'm going to do. Just wait for Harami or an inside bar or something. I'm just going to try to be a little patient. I am on an eval on Beelnox. I ended up getting rebilled from the 90% off, so I got a bunch of $15 evals. And I currently have no master accounts with Beelnox, so I want to work on that. I don't think Beelnox has any discounts either right now. Let's see. So let's see. So currently Bionox is 83% off, so that's not bad. Option ones, that's what we got going on with Bionox. Yeah, quite the gap up. I don't know what kind of news came out over the weekend. I really wasn't paying attention. This could just be a squeeze. Just tariff talks. Hey Steven, what's going on? Still pushing up here, 20,081 now. Rejected off the 20,100 psych level. You know the saying is, go with all gaps unless filled right away. We saw this the other day on the overnight where we got this massive gap to the downside and everyone was anticipating trying to fill the gap and it never did. It left it and then just continued to sell off the rest of the day. It's a possibility that, you know, we could just keep pushing higher for the rest of the day, but I don't know. I know I'm supposed to know, but so I had a massive day on Take Profit Trader Friday. I'll show you. Hopefully it doesn't show my information. I made $5,785 on the 25K account. So I'm gonna request a pretty big payout, 4,000 something. So pretty big day on Friday. I also made over 5,700 in my personal account. So it was a good day. It was a good day. Yeah, it was a 25K account, John King. And I was going in 3 contracts. Yeah, 25K account. I also have 2 that I passed too. So I have a 50K and another 25K that I passed. I just have to flip them. Yeah, Amelia, I was going full, all in. Once I got past the buffer, I slowed down a little bit. And then I just kept trying to build and build and build. An idea for a cheap short, but I don't know. This is very bullish. We have this wick up here at 105? Did we run it? No. Could push up to the 105s, but right now this is a very... Just put it in a 5-minute inside bar. I might take it. Hey Smokey Bear, what's going on? Now I'm planting flowers and mulch for my yard. Oh, it's so cold out right now, Smokey. It was 23 degrees today. It warmed up a little bit, but yeah, when I woke up this morning, it was 23. I was like, what? Oh, I know. Appreciate it, John King. Yeah. I just used my friend's Terry's. Terry Trades 100, all caps, but I'm going to take a short here. Could just get completely wrecked on this. On the eval. We'll just take it. It's the break of the first inside bar, but we're so bullish that I don't know. And if you guys are new to the stream, please don't follow my trades. If you, I have really good nights. Some of these sessions I do really well, and some sessions I blow up a lot of evals. So, just so you know. I noticed we got a fair amount of new subscribers over the weekend. Appreciate it. We're almost to 1,000. Which is a big deal. We get to 1,000 subscribers and we'll do a nice giveaway. Nice cash giveaway. I also do giveaways here and there and anyway, just time to time. I usually try to do like one a week, maybe one every other week. Do a cash giveaway. Do the moose races. Kind of bouncing here at the VWAP, just sitting right here. It's such a nice push up that, wow, what a gap. I mean, yeah, 100 points, over 100 points. It's kind of crazy. Maybe we'll just look to fill like half this gap. This is an intraday account too, so if we start to move, like we really start to plummet, I'll probably add to the winner and aggressively, because I like to try to smash or pass my evals, especially when they're only like 15 bucks, and just get them over with as quick as possible. And yeah, just try to get those funded accounts. The faster I get the funded accounts, the faster I can get the payouts. So. We're all in short, we blame you, Amelia. I know. I just have to. I try to say that just in case, we get the new traders and stuff. But I know you OGs do your own thing, which is awesome. That's what I do. When I watch other streamers and stuff, I'm not looking for trades. I like to watch streamers that don't trade like me, because I don't want them, especially if I'm trading, because I don't want them to influence my trading. Because if Methodical Man or Travis or something says, oh, I'm in short and I'm in a long, I'm like, oh man, what am I doing wrong? Because I know that they're good traders. If Top Step TV says they're long and I'm short, then I'm like, all right, I got a winner. I think we have a better chance filling this gap tonight instead of pushing higher. We are a pretty strong resistance level. I hope so, Nicholas. Yeah, I hope so. We're in short now, just off the inside bar. Could we fill a gap? Absolutely. Will we fill a gap? Probably, eventually. Will it be tonight? I don't know. But yeah, we're in short now. Pretty tight stop. Just above the inside bar here. We'll see. If we move like 10, 15, 20 points down, I'll consider moving my stop to break even. That's what I'm kind of thinking. But hey, Brian, what's going on? Oh, thanks, Brian. Yeah. Well, usually I'm sitting on the couch trying to pass evals anyway, and I usually probably try to trade them. I trade them a little more aggressive than I do on stream. Usually I'm like max contracts. Oh, yeah, you watch the evening so you don't have to turn the computer on, see what the market is doing. I do the same thing, Amelia. Like, if I'm at the gym or whatever, I'll turn on the streamer just to see, like, what the market's doing. 200 at the bid, a little over 400 contracts, down to just the 60s. Nice. Hold on one sec, guys. I heard something. I think it was my birds. I have a bird feeder on the window, so like they stick onto the window, so that way you can see them feeding in the bird feeders. They're all clear, transparent, and it's feeding time for them. So I think they were knocking on the bird feeder. I thought someone was knocking on my door. One thing you hate about the Sunday, it's a giant new week opening gap. Yeah, Dan, for sure. How's it going, Dan? All right, still pushing up there. Kind of bull flaggy. Not looking good for our short. Only thing I was just trying was that inside bar test for the break, but not loving it. Stops where it is. It's fine. Yeah, exactly, Dell. That's exactly what I was seeing too. Yeah, a little bull flag action. Oh, nice, Dell. Hopped in that long, huh? Yeah, I like this. Kind of wish I'd just kind of go with the gap here. That's a big gap. But we did get a big rejection there off 20,100. So. Oh, you've been shorting. Nice. Live dangerously. Must have caught some of the top. Starting to break some of this flag here. Pulling back. Well, it was slow. When was it? Thursday? It was really slow, the market. And then all of a sudden it picked up, like, later in the night. It's starting to get dark now. Alright, rejecting there, off the 80s. See if we can get the elevator down. Hey, it's Trading Star. What's going on? Down in the 50s, you think? So just below this, the beginning of the gap. Or the end of the gap. Yeah, if we start to get the flush here, I might add. Take some off, scale them off. I'm gonna add another one. Heck with it. Living dangerously. Come on, just move a little. You wouldn't even know we're in 2 contracts. You'll know it once it goes against me, but obviously now it doesn't want to give it up. I'd like to have been short right up here, but we're short where we are off the break of the inside, so we'll see. You got much bigger bigs down there. I'm 180 contracts long. Dell. Alright, moving a little bit. Being bought right back up. Come on, I want more than 4 points. Just filled most of all of them. Nice. Drop this pig. I faded you, Dell? Sorry. Dell and I are always fading each other. Hey, what chip? What's going on? But you scale in and out, so which is I think is really advantageous, like when it comes to this market. Getting it all in during the Asia or the market reopen, or whatever you want to call it. Globex. You know, it's hard to pinpoint. I'm starving. I'm gonna eat some kale soup. Could be Nicholas. Ace of Fades. You're looking at 50% of the candle. It's possible, yeah. We're right there. Apex still got 80% going on. Nice. Great. Yeah, use code PINE if you guys want to help support the channel. If you guys use Apex or Beelnox, code PINE. As far as Take Profit Trader, use code TerryTrades100. We'll just put out an awesome video today. If you guys are interested in see her, the way she trades. Oh, Stock Tiger's on. Oh, he's doing a collab. I gotta ask him how he did that. It looks good too. Thank you, Amelia, for that. Hey, Lassie for Trader, what's happening? So we're in 2 contracts short on this eval. Alright, so I'm gonna take a payout. Do that right now so I can get my money before the morning. I'll show you guys the process if you've never done it. Actually, I can't show my. It's gonna show my passwords. Anyways, briefly show you how it works. So you're on your page where your accounts are. You go click on the account that you want to take the payout, and then right over here, you can barely see it now, there's the withdrawal button. You hit the withdrawal button, and then you just type in what you want. Unfortunately, they take 80% or 20%, so which is a lot. And then you just send the request. That's it. Max payout. And usually the payout gets approved by morning. Usually. For me. It might be a little quicker, where this was from Friday. It might not be. I don't know. Hopefully it's approved by tomorrow morning, so I can trade this bad boy. I want all of them. I want to bankrupt these props. Bankrupt them. Yeah, it was a good day. Oh, I also got a new Top Step 150K passed. I need to activate that. So I have a new, I'll have a new 150K XFA, which makes me a little excited. I didn't want, well, I don't mind having a 50K on those, but when there's no consistency, it is nice to have a little more drawdown. All right, we're just kind of bull flagging right now, just nastiness. We're gonna be bold and hold. Sure, Lassie for trader, go ahead. So Lassie's he's starting a YouTube channel too. No, Lassie, you have to donate to the channel to plug something like that. What are you, crazy? I'm just kidding. You gotta super chat that. I'm joking, by the way. 100% joking. I think I'm already subscribed to you, aren't I, Lassie? I think I am. Or maybe I'm not. There, I'm subscribed now. Oh, that's right. Like, oh yeah, I see it. So you're, yeah, you speak Spanish, right? Nice. It's actually a really good idea. There, I even smashed the thumbs up button for you, Lassie. But yeah, it's a grind, man. Lassie, it's a grind. Like, just keep grinding. Make short videos, like shorts, so YouTube shorts. And then post them on Twitter and TikTok. Like, that's like how you get a lot of new people, new eyes looking at your stuff. Yeah, that's the best way. Lots of short videos. I gotta make some more. Thank you, Lassie. Yeah, don't forget to smash the like button, guys. All right. Market looks like it's frozen. Hello. Shake it up a little. It's moving sideways, exactly. Moving down 3.5K doesn't hurt. God, it was only 33 bucks. Yeah, exactly. These cheap evals, you know, it's nice. When you start getting up there like $119, things like that on the My Fund and Futures and those types, it's like, oh boy, it can add up quick. All right, back down to our entry again. Still, it's like kind of a massive bull flag, though. I really don't like it. Kind of see here. I think if you get a strong close up above like the 2080s or so, then we could be in jeopardy. You have the same entry as me, Woodchip, on the short side. This is Buellanox, Steven. It's Buellanox. All right, here we go. Get a little flush down here in 2073. You're looking at 20,001 huh? I could take that. 20,001. If I go in 3 contracts, that'll pass the this combine. I mean, eval in one shot. The problem is where it's intraday, it'd be really tough. You really need some movement to pass these intradays in one shot. So you're short too, Lassie. 20,750 take profit. All right, we're all in short. I don't know if that makes me happy or nervous. I don't know. It'd be fine if we just ride this trend line right down. Dali's still long? What's up with the gap up 100 points and then in 1 minute it gaps again? I don't know. Alright, Rock Driller, what's happening? Hope you're having a good night. I hope you had a good weekend. Yeah, mine was off this inside bar, what, 30 minutes ago? That was my original short right here. Stop above the high. And, yeah, still riding it. Super odd price gap ups, yeah. I wonder if it, no, is it because of the rollover wood chip? No, probably not. Wants to move down. I'd like to see a little more momentum. I don't know if we're gonna get it, but check out YM gladly. Similar pattern. Nice gap up. Projecting off the VWAP. Let's take a look at gold. Gold pumping. It's very bullish after the big spike down. Just tempting to take a long in gold there. You could get a pullback down here off the VWAP. Might be a nice long. Come up here, start filling these gaps. Might just scale in here. Take a long in gold. Short NASDAQ, long gold. Might not be the best entry on gold, but very just bullish, kind of grinding higher. $73.50. Nice. Bullish for this week, but I think a big surprise down for tomorrow might be warranted. Yeah, it could be wood chip. Yeah, very well could be. I really don't know what to expect for this week. I try not to really think about that too much. I just kind of like to let the market give me what it wants to give me for the day. So I really try not to have too much of a bias when I come in. It can burn me a little bit. All right, we rejected off the VWAP there. 76. See if we can continue this elevator. Not lack of elevator, but push to the downside. But yeah, we are just putting in a big, huge bull flag. So looks like our gold trade is working a little bit. On a daily, there was a doji from Thursday, but Friday closed above the open. Now we gap up. Shorts for Asia and London. Huh. Yeah, it's just a matter of time. Could be right. There we go. Yeah. Still kind of consolidating a bit. That's the problem is, yeah, that's the problem being oversized in this account, because that trailing. You know, if it takes too much time to get down there. I mean, the best time to pass an intraday trailing account is when you got a lot of volatility. Like this stuff. Big candles. Alright, both our positions are green. We get gold, continue to push higher. See if we can break this top here. Still short NASDAQ. Really not wanting to break the bottom here. I think below 2065 or so we could start to move, but I don't know. I've been burned trying to fill these gaps. Walked away, came back, still trading in the same range. Yeah, Wayne, for sure. Should rebalance into consolidation. Futures desk is daily payouts too, Zabak. Nice. Love those daily payouts. Lose a 70 level and drop. Yeah, I agree. Oh, good luck. Wood chip. Auto zone. Alright, gold's looking pretty good. See if we can break that top there. Drop it like it's hot. Hope so. There we go. There's a little flush. Starting to break those lows now. Slowly. Very slowly. There we go. She's moving. Gold is doing okay so far. Kind of double toppy though. Oh, I just flattened everything, didn't I? Damn it. I hate it when I do that. Damn it. I hate that with Top Step Exit, it flattens the whole account when I'm thinking it's the just that instrument. I could hop back in, but Oh, I hate it when I do that. So if you're in two different instruments, you want to hit close position and not flatten all. I meant to just close that gold trade. There's a little double top here, you know. So I think we probably still get up into the gap, but I don't know. I wanted to just focus on the NASDAQ. It's alright, we can hop back in. Hop back in. Same position. Use hotkeys, shift buy, shift sell, shift exit. Oh, nice. Yeah, I know. It's not the first time I've done that. I've done that a lot. I don't know, maybe it's a good cover, but maybe if we get pushed back up here and get right back in, maybe with one contract, maybe two. Well, that's 627 bucks, so not unhappy with that on his eval. Gold's still pushing higher. It's annoying. Put in some volume here at the 70 level. Like exit versus quick all, yeah, quit all. Yeah, I hit the flat null. Oh, because you ran into the same problem? Yeah. Right, yeah, essentially I'm just still entering the same. But we're pushing back up here on this candle. I think I was short from 72, 73, so could just hop in one. Just hopped in with one on the short side. So short from 20,067. I accidentally just exited a position that I was already short in. So essentially kind of hopping in the same position. So we'll see. You hate this level? I know you guys are a lot of level traders. I don't really look at levels that much, but just psych levels, things like that. And yeah. All right, pushing up, 70s. This market's gonna make me fall asleep. Hey Leo, what's going on? I don't use TradingView at all. I've actually never used it. Does anyone else know? Anyone that uses TradingView? Are you on the right contract, Leo? We just rolled over, so you gotta be on NQM25 or NQM5. Oh, yeah, yeah, that's a good point, King Sender. Yeah, so are you paying for live data, Leo? So you gotta pay for live data. Yeah, that's a good point, King Sender. Yeah, that's what a lot of people use it for, Nestor. Just they like the charts to mark them up. My favorite is Trade-Evate. And a lot of people hate Trade-Evate, but I love it. See if we can get that pushed down, the elevator. Give me 50% of the gap, I'll be happy. But what a massive gap up. Like what was that, over 100, almost 100 points? Just massive. Theo put his stuff on Trade-Evate. $64s now. Just kind of getting that slow grind down right now. Let's take a look at gold. Not a bad exit on the gold. Pulling back now. Could pull back down to the sorry, the VWAP area. 3028.5 possibly to continue the uptrend. It's possible. YM, what's YM doing? Push it down some. Kind of put it in the same pattern as the NQ, really. ES, same thing. So. I have a feeling it's just going to kind of try to push down, and then all of a sudden you're going to get a big boner candle and it's going to take out our stop. It's kind of like what I'm feeling, but we'll see. Some big buyer's gonna just come up and just rip our face off if you're in short. David Becker, drop it. Drop it like it's hot. This is Turtle Markets tonight. 100% Turtle Markets. There we go. I'm kind of getting a little bounce there around the 2060s, but nothing's broke with the pattern. I think I gotta I want to try to pay for my combine to get it started. My past combine, get my new XFA. So I passed the 150K top step Friday. Alright, there it is. I wish I had the new dashboard. I don't even know what the new dashboard looks like, but I just know I don't have it. Lately I've been trading them just one at a time, Dan. Lately, I haven't been copy trading them. I'd really like to just really build up a Top Step account, like. So I've been trading it pretty aggressively, and getting burned a little bit. Too aggressively. Having pretty good winning days, and then I end up just like blowing it the next day. But we'll see what I can do with the 150K. New dashboard has some tech problems sometimes. I reported that I couldn't cancel my subscription. Oh, so they're still working on it. That's probably why they slowly rolled it out. Well, I'm trading on Tradeovate, so hopefully I can, because I still get the daily loss limits on the XFA, and I need those. I know you can set them in the Top Step X, but you can also unset them. Unless you hit that little button. What is it over here? Set lockout. But I also heard with Tradeovate, like an actual brokerage account, that you can lock yourself out too. I don't know if that's true, but it is interesting if you can. So I remember you used to be able to set your daily loss limits, but then you could just, you know, sign out and then sign back in and then undo them. So if you're gonna degen, then you're gonna degen. If you're on tilt, you're on tilt. And nothing will stop me from destroying all my accounts when I'm on tilt. No one gets in my way. Oh, it's alright, Dan. I've done that. Blew my XFAs on day one. I've done that so many times. But yeah, it sucks because when you know, go through that combine grind that we've talked about, like, and then you blow the account, like, on day one, you're like, what? It's all the time you wasted trying to pass them stupid things. You tilted, you know, the tilted one starts levitating. I know, it's crazy, isn't it? Oh yeah, would have happened. Yeah. Yep. So we're still short here. Really just kind of like still just flagging, grinding lower. We were short up here off this first inside bar. I ended up getting out by mistake, and then I hopped back in on just a one lot. So we'll see. Front tooth just started hurting. By the way, yes, I just checked personal account for TradeAway has new setting, lock risk setting, and all lock set. All right, so Dan just checked the personal TradeAway account. There is a lock risk setting, and we'll lock settings until the next session, and account reps cannot unlock it. So that's a very, very good feature for the personal account, and that never used to be on there, but someone over the weekend actually told me about that, and I was like, really? So to me, that's like another plus of using TradeAway, because you know what, things can happen too, like you lose internet or have an outage. It's definitely good to have those stops in place. I hate that feeling when I see Jay tilting. I see people telling him not to. I already know what you're not going to listen at the moment. Yeah, I know, Alyssa. I know, it's crazy. Alright? I've never gone on tilt on stream with funded accounts. And I never go on tilt with evals anyway, because I just don't care about them. I don't get emotionally attached to these evals. It's the funded accounts that you trade for a long time that you start, even though you try not to get emotionally attached to them, but it just happens. You know, you start trading an account 20 days, something like that, and then all of a sudden you get a little tilty that day, and it's like, oh man. We're just riding this wave down so far. You know what did it to me? My very first trade, instantly negative 200, and I tried to get it back right away. Yeah. Yep. Little revenge trade. Then the market slammed 50 points down. Oh yeah. Yep. Well, you know, when I'm doing it is when I get down on the account, and then I size up. Start sizing up to try to get that loss back quicker. And I tell you what, you go 2-3 minis on some of these smaller accounts, and you blow up your account real quick in this market if you're on the wrong side, for sure. Thanks, Steven. So far, it's just slow. It's just grinding lower. Entry instant drops does it to me. Yeah. I love the on the flip side, it's always nice when as soon as you click the button and it goes your way, like instantly, you're like did I just move the market with this sim money? These sim funded money? I love that. Unwilling to break down through this gap yet, but we're just still, there's no structure break. I would say that you would need like a nice push up to the 70s and like get a close up here for to actually see a bit of a structure break so far. I mean, we are obviously bullish with the gap up, but short term, we're just kind of riding this channel down, and it's moving like molasses. Today is Maine Maple Sunday, and that means that the sugar houses for the maple syrup are all open their doors and stuff to the public, and they have little festivals and things like that. I love me some maple syrup. Yeah, honest take. Delicious. Take a little vanilla ice cream, homemade vanilla ice creams. Drizzle some nice local maple syrup on that. So good. I never have Amelia. I actually don't have. I only have like one maple tree on my property. Yeah, it's weird. All the trees, and there's like not many maples. It's all oak. It's mostly oak and beech trees. Tastes like home, yeah. So good. My favorite time of year usually is the fall, though. Go apple picking, get some of those apple cider donuts. Hot apple cider donuts, the fresh ones. So good. So yeah, I got an email from Apex. See what that is. So that's good. Like if you guys are using Apex, you know, if you are using them, 80% off sale until the 31st of March. So not bad. And $40 resets, and the 250K and 300Ks are still $85 lifetime activations. So just so you guys know. If you don't use Apex, it's perfectly fine. And if you do use Apex and you would like to help my channel out, just use code PINE. Simple. And I try to give back. I've pretty much given back most of the money I paid from affiliates, believe it or not. I give it back to you guys. I give it back to donations to other streamers. Try to go to the smaller streamers. I did donate to the Patrick Whelans when Nutty Bar and Alpine were on there, because I knew it would just get me good publicity. Apparently I got rebuild for a Top Step account too. I don't really want that. Oh well. Anyone else really bad at canceling their rebuilds sometimes? I'm usually pretty good about it, but... Starting to get a little push up here. 2056. I wish I could shake the market up for you. Do we need a Trump speech or something? Some executive orders being signed. Something to happen here. Shake this market up. You totally forgot about your straight to funded account with $200 in February. Yeah, ouch. Yeah, those ones are the ones you go, oh no. But I need accounts to trade anyway, so I just hate it when you get rebuild on something and then there's a discount going on. Like a better discount than what you got rebuild on. So All right, still pushing down here. I like that little drop right there. A nice little. Hopefully, well, nice if it was hold. Let's see, I spoke too soon. Bounced it right off 2060 there. Yeah, that was a nice little flaggish pattern. Let's take a look at gold again. Ooh, gold's still pushing up here. Probably, obviously should have stuck with all long, but it's okay. Our target here at 32. To get into this gap, we could possibly push much higher. We had that massive drop in gold. Was it Friday? That was Friday, right? Yeah, Friday, right from the open. I think this was a drop, similar drops to what the Nasdaq did. Friday. Yeah. Right here. I think that was the same thing, wasn't it? Am I wrong? No. Will this trade pass me on the account? No. If I had more momentum, Steven, I would, like, to the downside, I would have added more than one contract as it was pushing down, and then I probably would have passed this account, but no. Kind of waiting to see some sort of boner candle or drop candle, like a big flush candle or something. Because it's really like when you're trying to pass intraday trailing drawdown accounts, you really want some momentum and some volatility. It's really tough to, like, because if I let this drop to here and it comes all the way back against me, then you lose all that intraday trailing, which is stupid, but hey, it is what it is. But so is in the Top Step Take Profit Pro account is intraday when you guys first get the funded account, and I get around it pretty quickly. One massive bull flag, though. Yeah, 100%, Jay. 100%. But right now, until we actually break that flag, you know, you see sometimes where the bull flags fail and then break down. But yeah, until we break that and get a nice close above, I think that, I mean, the play right now for me is just to stay in the short. Take a look at the daily. I'm just curious. The gap up, huh? It's a massive bear flag on the daily too, if you look at it that way. If you look at this massive bear flag, it's kind of interesting. Here. So, I don't know. This is not good price action, I know that. Not for day trading. Not at all. Starting to get a little bullish candle. It's pretty bullish. And then the drop. And then the drop. Oh yeah, Alyssa, yeah, I've used the reset. Yep. On the Take Profit Pro account. So yeah, so one thing I look at is R&R, you know, always. So return on investment when it comes to prop accounts. And I know I can get a payout with Take Profit Pro. And so occasionally, if the market conditions are correct, I will definitely jump in and reset an account and send it. And most of the time, I can get the payout that pays for that $650 reset or whatever it is on day one. So yeah, definitely have reset accounts. And it's like, if you're used to trading a personal account, like $650 is nothing. So, for sure. Still short, but not looking good, Lassie. No, starting to get a little break in structure here, but it could be temporary. We'll see. Bottom of the hour here. I can't believe we've been in this trade this whole time, this whole stream. We got in this trade initially, if you guys are just tuning in, right here on this candle. So 6:05 Eastern time. That was the very first entry. I accidentally exited down here, which is why I'm up $626, and I re-entered. So we've been in this trade for an hour and a half. Hey Joker, what's going on, buddy? It was okay. Yeah, weekend was okay. Thank you. Hope everyone had a good weekend. Did I play the NCAA bracket with Take Profit Trader? I did not. I should have. I don't even know what's going on. Anyone a hockey fan? So Maine has a really nice, really good hockey team. It's the only thing we got good. Yeah, the Maine Black Bears, really good hockey team, college. For 50K, it's 650. For 25K, I'll tell you. On Take Profit Pro account to reset. It is $450, $449. For 50K, it's $650. Oh, really, day trader? That's not right. Hockey, you only cheer for the local team? Yeah, Steven. I think you can, if you use the promotion code day trader, I'm pretty sure that if you reset the account, then it should still be with the promotion. So So like the no activation fee promotion, but yeah. Oh, Andreas says that you can too. Yeah, that's what I thought too, Andreas. And actually, Terry Trades told me the same thing. That you could, if you reset the account. Wisconsin, you have a hockey team called the Green Bay Gamblers. So yeah. So Maine Black Bears hockey, yeah, they're really good. I think they're ranked number 3. But yeah, that's about the only thing we're good at. Yeah, 21 years ago we won the title. Oh, getting that boner candle. There's the bear flag break. I mean the bull flag break. Well, might get some movement now, thankfully. It's kind of what we were thinking. We're gonna just get a slow grind down, and someone's gonna come up and buy it up, and we get that big boner candle, and that's exactly what we're getting. But still only down to 10 points, which is crazy. So yeah, the University of Maine hockey East title are searching for the East title in 21 years. First ones in 21 years. So I don't know. I guess they're pretty good this year. I told you. Just kidding. Are you in the Big Ten? Nice. Who's going to beat Duke this year? That's the question. Who's going to beat Duke? With my boy, Cooper Flagg. He's a Maine boy. $406 cons at 20,095. Yeah, someone bought it up, Jay, I would say, huh? They came in with a 500 lot, probably. Bought that sucker up, targeting the highs there in the low liquidity market. Yeah, I see it, Jay. I see it sitting up there, 20,095. That was quite the boner candle. We definitely broke structure there. Thinking about just getting out of this trade, but little flag break there. Tested the VWAP, could push higher. I don't know. I think I'm gonna get out. I'm out. Still up 370 on this account. If you just start questioning my trade, then possibly a good time to get out. It's kind of like when you know you're wrong. Tigers are chasing. That's what tigers are supposed to do. I forgot to go. I'm out. Oh, man, this price action is just really lame. Let's look at gold again. Gold was more fun. Hawaiian's pretty in the same pattern. Yep. ES, same thing. Yep. All the instruments are just following each other now. Yeah, this is the turtle market, man. Wow, Amelia, yeah, this is crazy. It's been pretty good. It's been pretty good. Yes, Apex sale to the 31st. This is nice. Appreciate you guys supporting the channel. Hate to jump in and chase this. I'd like to see it pull back. At least 70s, 73 VWAP. Is that an inside bar? Sure, it looks like it. I wish my trade of 8. Yeah. This price action is just ain't right, Mo. It really isn't. It's horrible. Talk about turtle markets. I'm surprised we're still green. I'm gonna try to fix that problem here. Full port. Look at a large lot sitting up there at 20,095. I don't know if they pulled it yet. Let's take a look. They moved it up to 20,100 now. So we got 400 lots sitting up at 20,100. They moved it from 20,095. No, I don't. I'm actually looking at the free book map. I'm looking at Alex TWB. Right here. It's a little delayed, but you know. You can see it right here, 20,100. If you guys ever want to watch free book map, live Alex TWB, right there in the corner, left corner. He occasionally gets his channel taken down for like copyright or whatever, so I don't know, but he's on there right now. If you trade that stuff, Alyssa, yeah. I tend not to. Sometimes I will, like when the market's really slow, I will look at, you know, the order book and stuff. But yeah, during the New York market, I can't read it at all. Like it does me personally no good, but sometimes like when there's just like I said, slower market, low volume, you know, people can read the order flow pretty good, but personally I can't. It's nice sometimes when I have it, like I'll get it for free sometimes through whatever, like on that Ninja Trader tournament I had it for free on Trade of 8, and that was nice. But all right, so slow grinding up. I'm putting a little flat top right here. There we go. There's a little push up through there. Be really interesting if we head up to that 20,100 level, 20,095. They just moved it again. See, someone is like playing games. Look at this. They just moved it there. Oh, then they moved it again. See, there's that right there. By the way, guys, what they just did is I'm not gonna. I don't know. I'm not gonna say anything, but could be against some rules, CME rules. Maybe. Oh man, I got fruit flies. It's getting to be springtime. Yeah, Ryu. Yeah, something. They keep going from 95 to 100 and back and forth. See, as the price moves higher towards that price, see, they moved it down here. They actually moved it lower. Look at that. Oh boy. So it was at 95, they moved it to 100, they moved it lower to 90, the price started to push towards it, and then they moved it back to 100. That 400 lot. Very interesting. Yeah. Yeah, that's right, Ryu. Yeah, that's exactly it, because it's lower volume in the market. You'll see that a lot. You see a lot like when there's a bank holiday, so the markets are open, say in the morning, but there's like a U.S. bank holiday, and the futures market's still moving, so it's a little bit slower. You'll see that they do that same stuff. I don't know about you guys, this price action is just lame. If you guys can do me a favor, get 74 people watching, if you could smash the like button for me. Helps out the channel, helps out the YouTube algorithms. Currently up $370 on this account. The price action just has not been here. We've gotten some moves on the short side and gave some back, but got a big rejection there off 20,088. Smash it, Steven. Thank you. Thanks, guys. Thanks for hanging out with me on a Sunday night, too, even though the market is lame. El Lamo. Let's go look at gold. Gold's still trying to push higher, trying to fill these gaps up here. Gold's doing the upwards channel grind. Dow. Same thing as the NASDAQ. ES is imagines the exact same thing. What's Japanese yen doing? Kind of pushing lower, but kind of in a little upward channel. It's a little bear flag action actually on the yen. Crude grinding higher. Gold has been the most just buy the dip and then just hold that sucker. Hopefully when 8 o'clock opens up, we'll get a little more, get a push. I mean, we'll get some volatility and see what happens. See if we end up taking out those 95s, 100s. And you got a feeling like these guys that are got their big order up, sitting up there, that 400 lot. It makes you wonder if they're just gonna pull it, like front run it. So, like it probably won't even get to 95. I mean, or 100, and then they'll just probably yank it. See if we can watch it a little bit. I don't think I'll get copyrighted, right, for showing this? I don't think so. You can make 10,000 here in the Turtles. I know I can make 10K easy in the New York. It's possible, Dell. A lot of my strategies get thrown right out the window during this time, so especially in this market. I mean, there is no price action, like zero for me. Like none of this is even usable. First inside bar break was the only thing that we actually got a pretty decent move on. I'm just kind of curious if they end up yanking this. If we get that push higher to 95s, you know, whether they just, because they've already been spoofing, so. Your best DC aims from 6 a.m. to 7, or 6 to 7 a.m. and then 10 to 11. Yeah, for sure. Yeah, I've been liking the pre-market before the market actually opens lately. I've been getting a pretty good head start before the New York Bell. And you do technical strats around the open, yeah. $86 people watching, guys. 44 likes. Do me a favor, smash that like button. I know it sounds stupid, but it really does help out the algos. See if we get to that 1,000 subs. And nice bull flag break there. Definitely a nice setup. If I hadn't already been in the short, I probably would have taken that. That's when I should have got out of my short right then. Obviously in hindsight, but like, you know, when you're in a position and you're trying to like look for an intraday swing, like to possibly fill this gap or whatever, and then, you know, the structure completely breaks and, you know, switches to the other side, it's like you got to get out of that trade. So it's kind of what I've been doing lately, is just trying to hold on to my trades and then get out, hopefully, when there's a reason to get out of the trade, instead of just looking for like a static 10 points or 15 points. Like that's what I've been doing on my personal account. So I've been having such big days. Alright, still got that order sitting up there. 20,100-ish. Buyers are in control right now. Hey, Corey the phone trader is in the house. What's going on, buddy? Yeah, I try to stream every night at 6 p.m. Eastern, Corey. I try. If I can. Oh, Nicholas, yeah, I don't know. I don't even have it on my account yet. On my, in my market. The new dashboard. I heard they're having a little bit of technical issues. I think that's probably why they haven't released it to the masses yet. Because I'm still on the old dashboard. So you're saying, Nicholas, that you can pass the account the same and pay for it the same day and get it activated? Because that's pretty awesome. So I would love that. Oh, thanks, Dan. Yeah, that's badass. Oh, they pulled that order. You see that, guys? You see how they front run that? And then they pulled that order? Oh, look at that. They moved it up to 130. This is just pure... You know. You guys know. But it can be glitchy. It was like, if it was for me, I had to work for support because I work with support for... Yeah, that's right. Combine disappear after passing them. But yeah, they just pulled that order from 100 and... yeah, they moved to the 130. Market manipulation. Yeah. That was some dirtiness. We are getting that push higher though. Whoa! It's heading for that 400 now. That 400 ran some stops there too above 100. But yeah, new 8 o'clock just opened up too. Go with all gaps, right? Unless filled right away. Jim Dalton. Boner from California. Yeah, that was the 8 o'clock open there. Hey, at least I weren't in that short still. Yeah, for sure. I was thinking about going long. I have a feeling like Stock Tiger's long. Just have a feeling. I'm not even looking at his screen. I'm long. Dude cracks me up. Good trader. I'm not in anything right now, Steven. Yeah, they moved it, Jay. They moved it. They had it sitting at 90. They went from 95 to 90. Then they moved it to 100, and then they moved it to 130. They keep pulling it. Yeah. It's a little manipulation going on. A little spoofing, maybe? Spoofing? Yeah, playing the dirty tricks. Yeah, I got it pulled up here, Jay. On Alex's Think with Bookmap. And they keep pulling it. Kind of crazy. Hey Terry, what's going on? You're at dinner? Nice. What you eating good? Anything good? I'm starving right now. I think all I've really eaten today was a breakfast sandwich from Dunkin' Donuts. And then I had a green smoothie. Made yourself a nice juicy ribeye. Nice, Nicholas. Guys should check out Terry Trade's 100s video today. She made. It's pretty good. She live recorded her trading. I'll play some Warzone occasionally. I'll play some Apex Legends occasionally. But no, I'm not a big gamer. No. Really haven't had much time to game, to be honest with you. I know I could make time, but time I stream in the morning and then stream at night, and then I'm trading like in between there, and then time I'm done streaming at night, it's like I'm tired, and then I get up and I do it again. And then in between I'm trying to go to the gym and whatever, so alright, getting that push up is gonna about ready to take out that 400. That 400 lot there. Look, they moved it again, guys. Did you see that they moved it again? It went from 130 to 140 now. But yeah, it's just chasing that market. Oh yeah, Nicholas, I loved it. I love these new markets. I've been loving it. I'm just really curious, like, if we're gonna take out this 402. It's kind of like what I've been watching. Not the 402 level, but the 400 lot up here. So right now they got it up at where is it? I think 2140, 20,140 or so. Yeah, no, they keep moving that order, bringing it higher. Right now they got it sitting there. It's like, how many times can they, move it? Yeah, we're just rocketing higher. What about you, Nicholas? You play games? What do you play for games? I really like the Grand Theft Autos and stuff too. Red Dead Redemptions. But I feel like I want to get a console for that stuff. Again, I just got rid of my Xbox. All you do is play, yeah, nice. PC gamer, yeah. My PC, I have a gaming PC, but it's not like a real gaming PC. Oh, Witcher 3, that's a great game. I played that. Hey, Chef Chris, how's it going? How are you? Hope you had a good weekend. Oh, is Witcher 3? Maybe, is that a new game? I played one of the Witchers. I don't remember which one. But yeah, I like those games. RuneScape. Nice. Oh yeah, the older Witcher 3. Okay, yeah. I played that game. That was good. That was good. Weather was crappy yesterday, but today the sun came out, but it was cold. Alright, pushing up 128s now. There's really no setup for me, guys. It's really parabolic. Might snow up here again tomorrow. Yeah, I'm sick of it too. Sick of it too, Chef Chris. So many house projects to do this summer. Super excited. Yeah, I have a lot of house projects that I need to get done too, but there's always something to do. Last year I built my deck. I got it about 3/4 done, which is typical. I still have a little bit of finishing work to do on it, but it came out really nice. I put composite decking down, and I ended up putting some nice metal aluminum railings, like black metal. Black metal. Aluminum. So looks really nice. But yeah, we're still just pushing higher though. And that lot is still sitting up there. I don't know if you guys can see, but it's right up there at 137.50, 140-ish area. They get that 400 lot sitting up there. And they keep moving it higher and higher as it gets closer. This time the market doesn't seem like it wants to chase it. Another 10 points higher. $1,500 in trade fees and commissions trading micros. Holy cow, Dell. No, you can't. Not with these smaller accounts, Dell. You can't mess with the minis when you're DCAing and scaling in and out. But kind of rejected there off 132. Still have that big lot sitting up there, 137.50. I'm actually glad that I can't remember which one you guys mentioned it, but yeah, that 400 lot originally. Maybe it was Jay in the chat originally, but yeah, I'm glad you said something now, just because it's been interesting to watch and seeing this market chase it. So you can see like the magic of like when there's low volume, and then you have the book map or order flow or level 2 or whatever, and you can see these big lots, and you can see the market just chasing these levels, the big ones. Oh, so they probably pulled one, huh? Or filled one. So that big move originally, Jay, off this was probably them. I don't know when it was, but maybe buying up 800 lots or something, 1,000 lots on that big push. Who knows? A little bit of pullback here, 120s. Might take a stab long here. 2 lots. See if we can get that 400 lot. You have a bit of a lot down here, 112s, so I might actually move my stop down here. We'll move it accordingly. Stop kind of needs to be where it needs to be, and right there, that's just way too close. Especially on this eval, guys. This is on an eval only. You think so too, Jay? Yeah. That's kind of what I'm thinking. You got some big money players coming in here and buying up the market. We could see a little more of a pullback here. I hopped in. I was thinking, my reasoning is just for a continuation long. I was trying to buy up prior bars low. That was my reasoning. And yeah, so we'll see. Starts going our way, we'll move the stop. But it is definitely buying up high. But it seems pretty bullish. I don't know, Jay. I haven't got no invite yet. I haven't got no invite. Yeah, let's take a look at that. Alright, so let's look at the calendar here. Good news, 9:45. Tomorrow, PMIs, red folder events. So we got flash PMI tomorrow. Not too much on Tuesday. Wednesday, not too bad. 8:30, we got unemployment, GDP. I got PCE on Friday. That lot still sitting up there? It is. Be right back. Yo, Carlos, what's happening? I just gotta pee real quick. Not looking good. Still pulling back here. Got me some Ritz crackers. Oh, I see you guys fade me when I'm not here. I see you fading me when I'm not here. Hoping to pass 50K this week. Yeah, Chef Chris, nice. I just passed 150K on Friday. See how long I can keep it. Short back to the hour open. Short's out of the play right now. Snatching up some liquidity, volume, or whatever, and come out and take out these 402s. Nice, Carlos. Nice 2K payout from Top Step. Give it up for Carlos. That's how it's done, Carlos. Another 3 days, another 2K. Beautiful. Name of song, Ben Ellison, 89. That's funny, John. I think that is what it is. Non-copyright music, though, which is nice. Hey Nate, what's going on, buddy? I've tried a bunch of different sizes on the big accounts. May I ask how many contracts you use? Because I know you go hard. So it says, so Nate, to make that 5,700 I made on Take Profit Pro account Friday, I was going in with 3 contracts. I was going in max. I fully knew that I could blow it, but once I got up green, it felt like then I could just keep adding and adding and building on that green. It's always when I get down that's even more difficult, you know. So when I start down, then it becomes super difficult. Oh, look at that, guys. They pulled it again. They are so manipulating this market. Look at this. Now they're getting caught because the market's going down, so they moved their order to 125. They had it up here at 140. They moved that 400 lot down to 125. This is like, I don't know. So anyways, Nate, when I'm trying to pass evals and stuff, depending on the prop firm, but I usually go in max contracts when I'm passing evals. When I go in funded accounts, not always do I do max contracts every time. It's usually 1 or 2 minis, but lately all I've been trading is minis. This is called right here, Alex TWB. It's book map on YouTube. Alex here, and he puts it up for free. He's gotten it taken down a bunch of times, but yeah, you see it right here. They're putting up these 400 lots. The market keeps gravitating towards them. Yeah, Cove, what's going on? Yeah, I'm just watching Alex TWB because someone keeps pulling this 400 lot over and over and over and over again, so we're just watching that. Crazy. They went, I don't know if you were watching, they went down, like it started down here, and then they've had it at 95. And then, oh, it didn't get quite, they had it at 100, they moved it down to 95. And then that wasn't getting close enough, so they moved it to 92. And then they moved it to 100. And then they moved it to 130. And then they moved it to 140. And it just got filled right there. You see, guys? It just got filled. They've been moving that 400 lot all around the map. It's ridiculous. Stop to break even. I'm gonna close it right there. Alright, so that 400 lot's gone, so we're not gonna watch that anymore. Up 854 tonight. But yeah, they've been playing some games tonight. I was supposed to yell, who faded me, bro, on that one. Who faded me, bro? Nice little bull flag break again. Bull flag break. Bull flag break. You gotta be kidding me. Is it really back, Jay? I think they did fill. They did get filled. It looked like it. That's so funny. The mysterious 400 lot person. It is back. So they pulled it. I don't know if they pulled it or not, but. So it's back right now. Looks like back at the 145s, 150 area. That 400 lot again. I know, John, isn't it crazy? It's crazy. I'd be curious if it gets up there again. See, some of it got filled right there at 125 or whatever. I don't know if they ended up just getting back in on that pump. after they got filled. They probably didn't mean to have it get filled or something. Yeah, Raul, yeah. Like, some of these guys make so much money that the fines don't mean anything, right? John, let's say you were at Goldman in the pit trying to sell 400. I said buy them and they give me 2. Cancel the rest. Major fines also go to Goldman. Huh. Yeah. That's exactly what they're doing. So currently that's like 850 bucks on this eval here. Wait for another setup. Oh, it's interesting, John, yeah. So pulling back here, 130s. We still got that lot sitting up there. We're just putting up some more lots up there at the 150 area. I usually don't, if you guys are just tuning in, I usually don't watch Bookmap, but it's just been interesting with this 400 lot floating around the whole map, so we've been watching it. And the market is reacting to it. As I eat my dinner, Ritz crackers. No. I actually have some soup. It's even got kale in it. How about that? It's just on YouTube. Just type in Alex, or just put in just put in Bookmap. Should pop up. It's right here, live Alex TWB. There's a couple different ones, but I like Alex here. It's fun to watch when you have someone throwing around some big size. Getting a nice pullback here. All right, Steven. Thank you for hanging out. Good luck. Oh, thanks, John. Yeah. You guys want to check out that book there on Amazon called Dark Pools. It's about the open outcry going computer. Yeah. Huh. I actually might get that, John. But I'm cheap, so I'm gonna look for the used version. How do you read it? Oh, there's two 400 lots sitting up there now. Look at that, guys. Two 400 lots. So basically these are orders, large orders that are popping up here on the sides. And so those are orders that are actually on the books. Dell. And what happens is the market is an auction, right? Probably not going to be very good at explaining this, but the market is an auction, so it's just looking for buyers and sellers in large, lots. So it goes up and down looking for buyers and sellers. But when you start seeing very large lots, like you got 800 lots sitting up here, it's pretty likely that that market is going to start pushing towards to try to get those large lots. If that makes sense. Besides that, I don't really know how to read it. Yeah, it acts as a magnet, exactly, Jay. So it acts like a magnet. Are they sell orders? That probably, but it doesn't have to be. Be on the buy and the sell, I believe so. CMA member who own their seats got stock depending on the seat determine the amount of stock. Full seat got you 1,800 shares. Many people owned more than one. Wow. Oh, on the color? No. Oh, maybe. I don't really know, Dell. I've never really studied it that much. But look, they keep moving that 400 again. Look at that, guys. They moved it. They got two 400 lots sitting up there. They moved one down here to try to draw the price higher. Someone's really playing some games. So they keep moving that lot. They keep moving that 400 lot, like one of them down here, to try to get the price to move closer to that, to their side. So I would say that they're long. They're not looking for shorts. So these are probably sell orders based on their long, which I would say is right where the market is right now. Like they got filled right here, right where the price is, on one lot, or one 400 lot. And it seems to me like they bought, probably, it looks like they bought 800 lots, and then they're trying to move it up again. Owning a seat at the time gave great benefit. No XFA, no CMA exchange fees. Also, you could lease it out. NY Merck seat would get $18,000 a month during the big oil run up. Holy cow. Just for the seat, huh? That's crazy. So getting a pullback here. Oh, another big lot just popped up, 200. You got a big player. Look, they're buying up, and then look, they just put up another 200 lot here. So two 400 lots, one 200 lot, I think. Yep. So they keep buying it up, and then they're trying to drive that price up. You have a 100 lot right here at 1250 that I got on my E-Trade. To actually have level 2 on my E-Trade, it's not very good, but they're trying to keep this market from going down. I'm thinking if we go down, like these guys keep buying up, And if we keep going down and they sell their longs, you could see a little bit of a flush. Even today, you can lease a smaller seat for $300 a month and save on the CME and NFA fees if you're live trading. Huh. 80%, yeah. Wow. Got the ES book map too. Oh yeah, you have 1,000 lots sitting at 5662. Oh, it's way up there. I don't like looking at this book map. I actually have Optimist futures. I'll take a look at that, John. Thank you. I already have them, so let me check that out. Let's see. Huh. Typewritten application. Oh, I'm a... No, just kidding. Yeah, so they're still spoofing those lots up there. They have two 400 lots, one 200 lot. We are up 854 tonight on this eval. Yeah, that's interesting, John. I am gonna look into that. I'm all about saving money, and I've paid a lot of fees so far. like Dell says, I've had years where my fees were more than my profit. All right, looks like we're getting a little bounce here. Might take a stab long here. For the stream. You've done 2,700 micros tonight, Dell. Holy cow! $400 micros in a day, which can easily, that's $400. Yeah. Yeah, Dell. If he starts trading his personal account, he's gonna need that membership. So we are long. Long 2 contracts. You know, you guys can pinch your entry, which is kind of neat, and then you can move it. Like if you want to just pinch the entry, move it to take profit, and then you can move it to stop, whatever. Pretty neat, huh? Whoops, accidentally got rid of my stop loss, but it's alright. Take off 1, let the rest run there. Oops, I took it off by mistake. Up 1,058 now. Filled that 200 lot, looking to fill that. No, it didn't fill that 200. Well, I filled something. I wasn't paying attention. Now I still got another 200 lot and a 400 lot at 130s, 145. I filled one of the 200 lots. Yeah, right. And then looked like another one popped up. It's kind of funny. Pushing up to the 130s there. Trying. 125s. Fine with blowing evals, honestly. The only ones that really matter: daily payouts and pass accounts. Those I don't play with. Yeah, Dell for sure. Like, dang, dude, he couldn't get hired anywhere but needed to make money. Oh, that's funny, Amelia. That's funny. Oh, nice, Amelia. Vegas? Very nice. All right, so I think I'm gonna call it there, guys. Up 1,058 on this account here on this Bulanox. If you guys are interested in Bulanox or Apex, use code PINE, please. Help support my channel. And Terry Trades 100, all caps. Take Profit Trader. Also, My Funded Futures. How about MM Methodical? How about that? So I'm gonna call it there, guys. Nice stream tonight on Sunday night, and yeah, I'll be around the rest of the week, so I'll see you guys all week. Thanks, Mock, till we drop. Not too bad, huh? Not too bad tonight. Even though the price action is horrendous, but so yeah, catch me, you guys. I'll definitely see you guys. I'll see you guys tomorrow morning. Good chance of it, and definitely we'll see you guys tomorrow night, 6 p.m. Eastern. Pretty much every night this week I'm planning on streaming, so have a good night, guys. I'm gonna take a shower, get something to eat, and relax, and crash out. So, all right, guys, peace. Thanks for tuning in. Smash the like button on your way out. All right.